How to buy green metaverse token. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy green metaverse token in easy fast way on Binance. So first thing we do is we go to Binance app. As you can see, this is the app. Now this is the home page. As you can see, you need to log in up or sign up, and after that, this is the coin or the crypto that we want to buy. It's GMT, green metaverse token. Now if you want to buy this token, you have just to click here on this yellow option right here and then choose buy, and after that you need to find it here. If you didn't find it, just write the name here and you will find it like this, and then choose buy USDT, and you need to choose how much money you want to spend on this crypto. If you want $100 or 50 or even $10, and as you want. And after you choose the money that you want to spend, you have just to click on this yellow option. If you are logged into your account, you will find buy now here, and you click on it and everything will be done.